Whether you're a veteran gardener or you're still a little green, a potting bench like this is a must-have to get growing. As you can see, it's a straightforward assembly, with all the parts and hardware clearly labeled for your convenience, and even some handy tools. First, we have the top shelf. Attach the part A, left side, and the part B, right side, to the part C, shelf, with 4 part 1 screws. Using 6 part 1 screws, attach the part D shelf back to the shelf assembly, 2 on each side and 2 through the bottom. Now use 4 part 1 screws, attach 2 part E top supports to the part D shelf back. Locate the part C shelf and attach it to the part A and B sides with 4 part 1 screws. Carefully insert a part D shelf back above the second shelf assembly. Then secure it with 10 part 1 screws. You'll want to attach 4 screws through the front, 2 on each side, and then 2 more through the bottom. The shelf is now ready. Let's set it aside and get started on the bottom. Using 4 part 2 bolt sets, attach the part G bottom shelf to the 4 part F legs. Okay, now here comes the heavy lifting. Grab a friend if you need. Rest the part H bench top on the cutouts of the part F legs. Secure the front with 4 part 3 bolt sets, 2 sets per leg. Now use 4 more bolt sets to secure the shelf assembly to the bench. Further secure the bench top with 4 part 5 screws. Then place the part I sink in the recess of the bench top. Locate the part J and K tabletops, slide their pegs into the grooves of the bench top. Check out that they slide correctly before continuing. Then use 4 part 6 screws to attach the 2 part L hooks. We're almost done. Lay the assembled bench on its back, then insert 4 part M wheels into the part F legs and use the included wrench to tighten them down. Check that everything is secure and tight, then grab your gardening gloves and get started. What grows next is up to you. We hope you found this helpful. For videos like this, product highlights, and more, be sure to follow us on social media. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy gardening!